So then what we'll do is we'll look at this one here. This one's just, the question's simplified, okay? Factorize x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. The first thing we want to do is to look for a linear factor. The first linear factor, just like we did in the previous one, where it was just x plus 1. This one here, we do the same thing, but we just need to trial and error. And the easiest way to do it is just first of all, just look at this constant term here and use factors of this. Okay, and we just start with 1 and -1, whichever one it works to start with. So we're going to let p of x equal x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6, and we'll try p of 1. Okay, p of 1 will give us 1 cubed, which is 1, minus 2 times 1, which is minus 2, minus 5 times 1 is minus 5, plus 6. Now, 1 minus 2 is -1, minus 5 is -6, plus 6 is 0. Okay, that's convenient. The first one we tried worked. So if p of 1 equals 0, that means that x minus 1 is a factor. All right, so now we can divide. Put 1 out the front. 1 minus 2 minus 5, 6. Okay, bring down our 1 as the first step. 1 times 1 is 1. Add these together, we'll get -1. -1 times 1 is -1. Add them together, we'll get -6. -6 times 1 is -6. Add them, we get 0. So then our quotient is 1x squared minus x minus 6. And now we look to see, can we factorize this? Okay, we need two numbers that multiply to get -6 and add to give -1. And it's going to be, let's see our factors, 1 and 6, 2 and 3. It'll be -3 and +2. Okay, to multiply to give a negative number, we need one to be positive, one to be negative, and it works out this way, that if it's -3 plus 2 will give us -1. So then our linear factors will be x minus 3, x plus 2. So therefore, p of x could also be written as x minus 1, x minus 3, x plus 2. So that is our factored form of this polynomial. Okay, so we've just got now factorizing the sum and difference of cubes. All right, so these are like a formula and they're given on your information sheet. Okay, so here's the information sheet, and you can see here the sum and difference of cubes. Here's the sum of two cubes, x cubed plus y cubed, and it factorizes to this expression here. And here's the difference of two cubes, x cubed minus y cubed. Okay, and factorizes to these. And we've got them here. So you'll notice that x cubed plus y cubed, the first set of brackets just has x plus y, and the second set of brackets is x squared minus xy plus y squared. For difference of two cubes, it's similar. Okay, x cubed minus y cubed, the first set of brackets has x minus y. The actual terms are identical. The only difference is the minuses and the pluses. So have a bit of a look at those and you'll see. Now, how do we use it? Well, let's have a look at this example. We've got factorize 8x cubed plus 64. Now, we can write this in this form, x cubed plus y cubed. 8x cubed can be written as 2x all cubed, and 64 can be written as 4 cubed. So you can see here that effectively this is our x and this is our y. Okay, x cubed plus y cubed. The 2x is our x in the formula, and the y is, or the 4 is our the y in the formula. So then what we do is to apply the formula. Our first set of brackets is this, the x plus y. So we write it as 2x plus 4. The second set of brackets, x squared, and our x term is the 2x. So we write 2x squared, so put it in brackets, minus x times y, so minus 2x times 4, and then plus y squared, so plus 4 squared. And then we'll simplify it, so the 2x plus 4 can stay like that. And then this here can become 4x squared, and then that becomes minus 8x, and this becomes plus 16. So to factorise the sum of two cubes of this particular example simplifies to this just by applying it in our formula. All right, so hopefully that helps you with that. The next thing to do really is to go on and do this work here from the textbook.